almost every day, I search Twitter for topics of interest to me. So I am looking at education innovation, I am looking at celebrity culture and critical analysis of celebrity culture. I am looking at new art forms that are emerging in the media landscape. And every day, someone has shared with me what they have learned. And I feel like Twitter is like I am holding hands with a lot of friends who are on the lookout for the best and most interesting resources of human creativity, sharing those resources with me, making it easier for me to keep learning and not to get stuck in a rut of what I used to know, but to be always on the edge of learning more. So Twitter is a very exciting community of learners. And I think it promotes for me the feeling that no matter, as I get older, I am still a learner. And so it's being part of a community that makes me feel, there are no boundaries of geography, no boundaries. I am friends with people from around the world and I am learning from them all the time.